Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tyson Discovery Center. My name is Chef Sergio Herrera, an executive chef within the Tyson Food Service Culinary team. And today we're here to talk about a classic pepperoni build, which is great for simplicity, back to basics, and great flavor. We have a tomato sauce that's super savory and flavorful, our Hillshire Farm pepperoni sliced, and some shredded mozzarella cheese. So let's get started. So first, what we'll do here is grab our savory tomato sauce. Once again, you can either get a commercial prepared sauce or make it your own, but having that nice tomato sauce layer is what a pizza build's all about. Here I'm using a 14-inch pizza dough, so I'll be using a little bit more sauce, of course, to get all around the edges. That looks beautiful right there. Next, what we'll do is grab our shredded mozzarella cheese and really kind of give it a nice heatful, of course. Now, there's a bit of difference too of either adding your mozzarella cheese first or your pepperoni. I prefer seeing the pepperoni after the mozzarella cheese. And it looks good right there. Next, we have our sliced pepperoni. Once again, a nice, flavorful, and awesome pepperoni slice that can really give bright flavors. So what we'll do here, shingle it around the pizza, of course. 3 key ingredients, guys. A sauce, a cheese, and a pepperoni. And once we get this pie fully covered, we'll be ready to fire this away in the pizza oven. And there we have it, guys, a classic pepperoni build with 3 key ingredients, right? Your pepperoni, your shredded mozzarella, and your tomato sauce. Let's go ahead and fire away in this pizza oven. What we did here is we cooked it in the pizza oven at 450 degrees at a 5-minute conveyor blade speed. And here's our classic pepperoni build. Once again, our Hillshire Farm pepperoni slices with mozzarella cheese and a classic savory tomato sauce. So let's go ahead and cut this pie. As is. So here we have it, guys, an awesome classic pepperoni build with simple ingredients, right? Shredded mozzarella, classic savory tomato sauce, and our Hillshire Farm pepperoni slices. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.